What is a monomial in algebra terms? Have you ever wondered what a monomial is in algebra? Let's break it down in a simple way. A monomial is an algebraic expression that consists of just one term. This term can be a single number, which we call a constant, or it can be a variable like x or y. It can also be a combination of numbers and variables, as long as the variables have whole number exponents. For example, the number 7 is a monomial. The variable is also a monomial. If we look at 5 times x times y squared, that is another example of a monomial. Even negative numbers can be monomials, like -3 times a cubed times b. Now, let's highlight some key points about monomials. Since they have only one term, there are no additions or subtractions separating parts of the expression. This means you won't find any plus or minus signs in a monomial. Also, the variables in a monomial cannot have negative or fractional exponents. This means you cannot have something like x to the power of -1 or x to the power of 1/2. Another important rule is that division by variables is not allowed. This means you cannot have a variable in the denominator of a monomial. The number in front of the variables is known as the coefficient. For instance, in the expression 5 times x times y squared, the coefficient is 5. Next, let's talk about the degree of a monomial. The degree is the sum of the exponents of all the variables in the expression. For example, in 5 times x times y squared, the degree is 1/4 and to 4y squared. So, 1 plus 2 equals 3. Monomials are the simplest type of polynomials and serve as the building blocks for more complex algebraic expressions. Understanding monomials is essential because they help learners perform operations like multiplication and division of algebraic terms. This knowledge lays the groundwork for studying polynomials, equations, and functions. In everyday life, monomials appear in various areas, such as calculating areas, volumes, and rates in algebra problems. This makes them essential for solving real-world math problems step by step. So, the next time you come across a monomial, remember that it is just one term, and it plays a vital role in the world of algebra.